Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. I am out Groves Point with the Fimi X8SE 2022. I have everything ready here, so let's start recording. And let's auto take off. Let's see, a little bit of toilet bowl, so let's give it a minute here. It's a little windy. It's about 8 to 10 mile an hour winds. I don't have a lot of battery life left in the GoPro. I've just previously filmed 2 videos here, so let's try and get this on the road. Get the show on the road, as they would say. Bring the drone over a little. See how close I can get to the car. That's about close enough. You guys can see me there. So we have 18 satellites. Pretty good. 18 satellites, guys. I don't want to hit these wires. They're just above the drone. So I'll make sure there's no cars coming here, and we will do a little droney. Reversing up. No crab walking on this today. I'm holding straight down on the stick, so it's doing pretty good. Pick the camera up just a little bit. Right there. Okay, before this gimbal starts to go wonky, I want to put it in cinematic mode. We are now in cinematic. Let's gain some altitude. I want to check my speed. Okay, it's up to 16 meters per second. So let's actually turn that down. We will turn that down to, say, 4 meters. Let's leave it at 5. There we go, 5 meters per second, hit the check mark. I want to check my image transmission. It's not giving me that option anymore. When you go into this, your image transmission, if you guys can see it, the last time I was in here a few days ago, I'm pretty sure it showed you can switch to low and high quality. The low quality gives you a better transmission. Let's gain some altitude. Bring it out a bit. That drone is currently 100 meters out, 120. And it's pretty visible. It's a big drone, guys. Big drone, it films good. Flies awesome. And I've got these on today just to see if if I did experience any transmission issues, it would this would minimize any issues I'd have. Signal just went down to 2 orange bars. Let's come back in a bit, but I'm not losing any signal. Getting good signal. Let's aim the transmitter up a bit more at that. So I'm not sure, guys. Not a lot of people really like these Fimi videos. I don't get a lot of views on them. It seems my other drones do much better for views. And it's a shame because these Fimi drones are good if you can get a good one. I've got a car. He's just watching me, I guess. He stopped in front of me there, looking over at me. But yeah, I guess, these Fimi drones just aren't very popular with people. But if you can get a good one, guys, because, their quality control is absolute trash. If you get a good one, you've got a good one, and Now, if you get a good one, they work really well. But if you get a terrible one, it is horrible trying to deal with Fimi to get them to replace it. So it looks like our horizon might be going off a little bit there. And I have it in cinematic mode. Looks like it's just slightly off. I could be wrong. It could be the terrain. I'm just slowly circling, guys, and flying out around here. I don't know, it could have been me. It looks like it's kind of level now. Let's spin it back around. I can tell you making fast turns really throw your horizon off with this. Looks like as I'm turning, it's slanted a little bit. So now try and bring it back. See how that horizon straightens out. Yeah, I think it's off just slightly. So leave the drone sit for a second. And yeah, it's leveling out. So I guess it's doesn't matter what you do. It does it from turning. But I know the cinematic mode does help it because it doesn't go really cockeyed like it was in recent videos. We're 94 meters up. We'll gain a little bit more, guys. We'll get up to that 400 feet. There we go.
The drone has reached max altitude.
It'll tell you when it's there. So I'm going to cross the road.
Max altitude.
I have nothing coming here. We've got one coming, but I'll be across by the time he hits here. Still quite a ways away. I'm across the road now anyway. There he just passed. You can hear that drone sailing overhead. Nice area to fly, isn't it, guys? Oh yeah, one other thing, if you can do me a big favor, hit that like button, guys. It really helps the channel out, and it's good for our algorithm. Makes YouTube push our videos further around the world. Check that view out.
The drone has reached max altitude.
Yeah, I'm going to decrease a little bit so that'll shut up. Check out that glare of the sun off the water. It's just about sunset here, guys. We've got maybe a half hour or so before the sun is down. Well, that guy's really flying. You'll see him hitting the turn there. See him going? I'm just scoping him out now. He's cruising. Speed limit along here, I believe, is maybe 70. He's going a lot faster than 70. So our horizon is a little off here now. Let's go back the other way and see if it'll straighten it back out. Yeah, it's kind of leveling. Good. Now it's going off on the other side. We'll bring the drone out this way and let the gimbal level out again. I can see it on the screen leveling, so it slowly does fix itself, but I've mentioned that to Fimi too, guys. Hopefully they work on that. I mean, it's terrible that the gimbal does this. Especially when you're trying to film and you've got a crooked horizon. And no way for you to fix it. You just have to wait and let the drone correct itself. It's not what you want to be going through. Let's put my antennas up a little more here. So that's about it, guys. I'm down to 70% on this battery, and the sun's starting to go down. I think I'm going to bring this in and land it, and head back home. Grab myself a bite to eat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this flight here today. I've actually made 2 other flight videos. I'll probably post those too. If you're new to our channel, leave a like. Make sure you subscribe, guys, if you are new and you like the content we produce. We do other things too. It's just a lot of drone content for the winter because we can't get out to hike and all the snow on the ground. The further down north we go, the worse the snow gets. So that's why there's no hikes throughout the winter. But spring is coming. When summer hits, we will certainly be out all the time hiking, showing you guys the island off. So, yeah, that's it. If you like what we do, you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Leave a like. Those likes help push our content further. Leave a comment, guys, because I love reading them myself. When Laura does read them with me, she gets a kick out of some of them, so make sure you comment. Turn your notifications on so you don't miss our videos, and we'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace out.